call me again, drunk in your bed.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how I achieved my passion twist using pre-braided hair from Amazon. So stay tuned and keep on watching. So let's start off with the satin scrunchies. I use these to separate my hair. Got this from Amazon. For gel, I used the Shine and Jam conditioning gel. I got this at my local beauty supply store. For moisture, I'll be using the As I Am Double Butter Cream. I ordered this on their website, but you can also order this or purchase this at your local beauty supply store. For parting, you already know I use a regular rat's tails comb and an afro pick to pick out my hair. Now for the hair. I got this hair from Amazon, y'all. This is a pre-twisted passion twist hair. It retails at about $37.99 in the color 1B. It comes with a crochet hook and colorful accessories. It comes in a pack of 5 with about 10 to 12 braiding hair. It could be more, it could be less. I'll make sure to link it down below. My favorite item of this tutorial, you guys, is this 3-way 360 mirror, also from Amazon. It's a dream. Like, I can actually see what I'm doing in the back of my head, y'all. You can hang it anywhere around the house, adjust it to your height or however you see fit. Child, look at that. What?
You make me want to go.
So I started working with the back of my head. I moisturized my hair with the As I Am cream, worked it into my hair. I'm sure you guys know this already, but just in case you don't, it's important to have your hair properly moisturized when you're doing any protective style. It defeats the purpose to call it a protective style if you don't prep your hair beforehand. I'm sure you guys know this already, but just in case, you know. Then I apply the gel onto the scalp so the parting can be much easier, and I applied it to my hair so my hair and the synthetic hair can blend better. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it was an adjustment when parting my hair and actually seeing what I was doing. It was definitely a trial and error. Usually when I braid or when I part my hair, I usually let the Lord just guide me, and it is what it is. But actually seeing what I was doing was very stressful for me, I'm not gonna lie. So again, a little slower this time. I already applied my moisturizer. I'm now applying the gel for a more sleek finish, and then 2-strand twist my hair, leaving a little bit at the end. So this is how the back of my head is looking so far. Let me finish the rest and I'll get back to you guys in like 2 seconds. And here we are, first part of the process done. This part is optional. You can do 2-strand or 3-strand twist to your hair and then, you know, apply as you go along. But I chose to do this method instead so I can actually see how my hair looks and if I have to do more parting or do smaller sections. So like I said earlier, the packages comes in with about 5 bags of hair, and each has about 10 to 12 braids inside. I took 2 of the braids and gently unraveled them, combining them together so each braid can have the same size.
Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. You did something.
After that, you're going to take your crochet hook and insert into one of the braids, then add the braiding hair onto the hook and close the clamp.
I should have known better.
Then you're going to slide the hair midway and then unhook the crochet hook and then slide one of the braiding hair all the way through. What you're going to do is you're going to grab the other braiding hair on the other side and hold it down so it can remain on the opposite side. Once the strand is all the way through, you can begin braiding. You want to start off by covering your twisted hair with the synthetic hair. So the best way to do that is by leaving your hair in the middle and then grab the 2 strands of synthetic hair and wrap it around until the twist that you created is covered. Once it's covered, you grab the rest of your hair that's not twisted along with the synthetic hair and start braiding or twisting. Okay, as you can see here, I messed up. You cannot have your braid so far away from your scalp. And look at the way the braiding pattern is compared to this one that's a little bit more like juicy. So I have to redo that twist again and basically make it look a lot more like the first braid. So I unraveled everything completely and retwist my hair again. Making sure that you're braiding it so the braiding pattern is the same how it originally came in the package. So it can look nice and juicy and, voluptuous, if you will. So again, a little slower. As you can see, your hair cannot be separated like that. So separated from your scalp like that, it has to be a lot more closer to your scalp so it can last. And the braiding pattern should not look different. You see how that braiding pattern is like, I don't know, it's not smooth, it's not voluptuous compared to the second braid. That's how you're supposed to look, the one on the right compared to the one on the left. So I have to redo that braid again. Now we're at the front part of my hair. For the front, I decided to do a 3-strand twist instead of 2. I find that the reasoning why the hair was not so close to the scalp was because I was doing the 2-strand twists instead of the 3. The 3 is more tighter, if you will. So the same process goes. You use the clamp to pull the braiding hair through on one side of the other. You twist the hair. Make sure you're twisting it on the correct side so it's not so it's smooth and voluptuous, like I said. And yeah, you just continue that all the way through. So one more time, a little closer. You're gonna grab your hair and put it in the clamp. Pull it through. You're going to take one section of the synthetic hair and pull it all the way through while holding the other side of the synthetic hair. Then you're going to take the braiding hair and wrap it around your hair until the braiding hair is covered.
It's the way you put it down.
After that, once that's covered, you can start twisting.
You made me want to come.
So at this point, I realized that I do not have enough braiding hair to finish my style, so I had to improvise and grab some straight braiding hair from my closet and combine it with the um, passion twist braiding hair so I can at least have the same size throughout my whole head. I had to improvise and work with what I had, unfortunately. So I suggest that when you buy the hair, you buy 2 packs so you don't end up with the same issues I had. But even with that, I still made it work and they turned out pretty great. It was my birthday weekend, and I would be the one to want to do my hair on my birthday weekend. But it is what it is. Shout out to my Aquarius gang. Gang, gang. If you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. And see you guys for the next one. Later, loves.